Alright, making our way in the junkyard. We're on our quest to find a 1990 Chevy and a 1990s Sierra. One's a 3500, the other one's a 2500. So let's go take a look for them. Somebody had a good time in there. Very muddy here as well. I think I found the Chevy, the blue Chevy over there. I can see it's white and blue sticking out over there. I can fit through here. Look at all this mud. This blue one is what I was really stoked about today because of my truck being blue. I was hoping to find a glove compartment. Looks like it's in decent shape. It's a 94. I think it still has a radio in there, so let's take a look. Alright, it looks like this one has 343,000 miles. It definitely got some work. Got the radio faceplate here, so that's good. We got the bass and treble buttons. It's actually better than mine on old blue. We also have the CDM up there. We're going to be taking that out. Unfortunately, the glove compartment box cover is removed. And then for the center, we just have the audio cassette box here, so not really interested in that, but not a bad find. Just to get the CDM out first. CDM is going to be down here. Pops right out. CDM is right here, this guy, so it's just 3 screws. And it's got to undo right here on top. And there you go. Free. CDM model 16172115. Nice. Alright, now let's work on the radio. So usually these are T20 bolts, but it looks like they were replaced by these Phillips. Got one more. Anything else out of this truck? We got a decent door over there. I don't really need anything. Alright, well, we unfortunately couldn't get the glove compartment, but we got the radios out of this one. It's in decent shape. The dash isn't too bad, a few cracks and breaks. Thought about getting that, but I don't know if I want those speakers or not. Decided against it. I don't want to pay for them here. But the ceiling's actually in nice shape here. Maybe we can take that. It's in pretty good shape. The bed's got like mold. Now it's got spray in bed. Gross. I don't think that tire belongs. Got a bunch of rust, I'd say. Maybe it's not a southern truck. Maybe it's northern. Nah, I think it's damaged up here. See, not a big deal. Yeah, a little bit newer than mine. No jacks here. For some reason they're always missing. Alright, well, let's go on to the next Chevy. Down here. Now here's a maroon one. I think this is too new, actually. Let's look for a green one. I think I might see something down there. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think I see it peeking out down there, that green one. On the other side of that red Ford. Walk through this pond. Yeah, it's right today. It's been raining non-stop here for the last like 3 days. There it is. Now, this is a 90s GMC 3500. I think it has a 350 in it. I can't tell what size engine that is. It's got some mud daubers on it, just like my truck had. It's got the single headlights. Old work truck, it looks like. Old toolbox. But let's take a look on the inside. Alright, so this is probably a 89 then, if it has the Moonies. A 90 perhaps. Yeah, it's got the, looks like it has the radio intact. So let's take a look. See what else we got going on here. So we got the radio phase, all black, that's cool. And then looks like there's a CDM under there, so cool deal. Yeah, I really like this gauge cluster. It only has 140,000 miles on there. Sliders here. This is pretty neat. Honestly, I haven't seen one like this. Metal console is strange. These GMCs are a little bit different. Let's get to it. The door keeps jamming. Jeez, stay. There, let's see if we can do that. Alright, that's good. Alright, so first let's get after the CDM up under there. A little different than the Chevy I just did. This is whatever this thing is. I have no idea. Maybe someone else knows? Finally. Alright, now we can get after the CDM back there. A regular ratchet. There we go. For some reason, thinks I should be wearing gloves. I've only been cut like a dozen times. She's much smarter than me. There we go. Okay, the antenna port's already gone. This one is filthy. Oh, there we have it. Does not have a model number on it. But man, is it filthy. Not sure if this one will even work. Hey, we're going to give it a shot. Alright, now we're going to get this GMC radio out. It's all black, kind of cool. Now we got to work up the radio cable that's down beneath. Work it up some more from the bottom. Push on through, and there we go. Radio is free. Don't see that very often. This is a cool one. Got black buttons. The Sierra. I think it's a 90 Sierra 3500. But it's pretty cool. I also want to say that, hey, look at the dash. There's like no cracks in the dash. This must be really good. Must have been kept out of the sun, I guess. But sucker's seen better days. Somebody's already stole the glove compartment out of there. Jack's missing out the back, but look, there's also a speaker there, aftermarket. Pretty cool. There's another. Looks like it had a CB or something mounted here at one time. This is also neat. I haven't seen this in these trucks yet. Must be a GMC thing. It's like a mechanical setup here. Cable goes over there, probably controls the blower motor. Also, look over there. The vent is like closed off. Strange. Strange. Oh yeah, there's no vents in here too. Usually there's like a duct coming out of there. An odd truck. Very odd. Yeah, looks like it's definitely a work truck of some sort. Messed it up a lot. Just like probably kept up north. Steel wheels, work truck. Found about a bunch of pines. Oh, yeah. Well, thanks, truck. Thanks for giving me a radio. Very odd radio. Cool. Successful pick. Rain finally stopped here, so we're able to make it here and look after these two GMT400s, the Chevy, and then the Sierra over there that got that black radio out of. So, really happy that we were able to make it here today. Thanks for watching.